Hi, scrolling along with Susan here. I want to show you what I've been doing this January so far. And this has taken me over a week of hours and hours of cleaning up, but I really had to organize my workshop. I had wood pieces everywhere, and when I tried to find something that was 1/8 of an inch thick or 1/4 of an inch thick or whatnot, I'm looking in 5 or 6 different places. So I really took the time to clean up my wood shop, and I'm really glad that I did. And I thought, you know, I better take a picture of it now because I doubt it'll be this clean again for many years. So I'm going to show you how I organized my scraps of wood, and I thought maybe it might help you organize too. This is my main area where I keep most of my scraps. Starting at the bottom, I have pieces of pine, and everything on here is under 2 feet long. And then the next shelf, I have my 1/4 inch to 1/8 inch pieces. And then the next 2 levels, I have 3/4 to 1 1/4 inch pieces, and I try to put them in lengths or widths actually. And then at the very top, I have some finished projects and some regular cedar wood. If you've seen any of my videos, you've already seen this. This is where my 2 feet and over pieces go, and it looks like the bottom level needs to be straightened out a little bit because it's leaning, so I will take care of that. But these are my very long pieces that need to be processed. I've got my 2 toolboxes here with all my little tools, and right underneath them I have a couple of small drawers that I use for storing smaller pieces that I have completed, as well as little wooden pieces that I'll use for projects. I have my finished projects on top, and then I have all of my clamps. I have boxes of paints, and at the bottom I have some filters for my dust collection and wood burning tools and some other smaller tools. Here I have sorted some thinner boards in order of 2 to 3 feet long and smaller boards, and then an extra, you always have these piles of small little pieces of wood that you're going to use. This is my very large cabinet that I have smaller tools, all my large paints and my glue and my stains, and some of my other tools like my router, my extra routers. I am very proud that this is what it looks like underneath my tables. You know, I should have done this organization a long time ago, but I was working full-time, and when I had a free moment and I came down to work in the wood shop, I wanted to build something, I wanted to create something. But I really wish I would have taken the time earlier. It would have saved me a lot of time going right to one section to find the wood that I want to work with. So I strongly suggest that you do the same, and I think you'll find that it'll be a big time saver. So thanks for watching.